शादाब, एक तो सारे लोग यही सवाल करते हैं कि जब एक ऑलराउंडर बैटिंग में रन्स करे या बॉलिंग में पहले अच्छी बॉलिंग करे तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस सेकंड इनिंग्स में बॉलिंग बैटिंग में लेके जाता है।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डेफिनेटली बाजिद भाई, ऑब्वियसली जिस तरह का मेरा कमबैक हुआ था इतना अच्छा नहीं हुआ था पाकिस्तानी कलर में, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली उसके पीछे बहुत सारी मेहनत थी। देखिए, जब तक आप रिज़ल्ट ही देते तो मेहनत आपको नज़र नहीं आती। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्र अदा करता हूँ अल्लाह ताला का, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इतना अच्छी चीज़ें नहीं चाह रहे थे, लेकिन पीएसएल से बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस मिला। और जब अब आज बैटिंग भी गया, इतना अच्छा स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा था, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली एक अच्छा ओवर की वजह से मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारा मोमेंटम मिला मुझे।
बॉलिंग की आप की बात करते हैं, पीएसएल में आप बात कर रहे थे कि आपने बॉलिंग में रिदम वापस आया है, आज वो उस रिदम का इस्तेमाल हुआ?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ें चाह रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि अभी स्टिल बहुत सारी चीज़ें इम्प्रूव होने वाली है, लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत सारी चीज़ें इम्प्रूव हो चुकी है और होपफुली आने वाले वक्तों में और ज़्यादा चीज़ें इम्प्रूव हो।
आज शायद एक ज़रा सा टेक्निकल सवाल कि आप थोड़ा शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ कर रहे थे, वो पिच के लिहाज से बॉलिंग कर रहे थे, क्योंकि लगा कि ऐसे कि आप कोशिश कर रहे थे कि बॉल ज़्यादा आगे ना की जाए।
बाज़ भाई, जब मैं बैटिंग भी कर रहा था तो ऑब्वियसली आपने देखा भी होगा, स्पिनर अगर 19th ओवर का आ रहा है और हमारे से हिट नहीं लग रहा तो ऑब्वियसली पिच ऐसा था कि थोड़ा लो रह रहा था। अगर आप थोड़ा दूर रख के थोड़ा तेज़ बॉलिंग कर रहे थे तो वो इतना अच्छा बल्ले पे आ नहीं रहा था। तो मेरी कोशिश यही थी कि स्टम्प्स में जितना थोड़ा सा दूर रख के तेज़ बॉलिंग कीजिए।
चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ज़्यादा सवाल नहीं करूँगा, गर्मी ज़्यादा है।
थैंक यू।
Then a disappointing day, but disappointing night. 5 for 2 Pakistan were, and then they sort of made a comeback. Slightly disappointed by that.
Yeah, definitely. All over the game, we didn't bowl well, bat well, and field well. Uh, I'm not saying anything about, but we have to come back strongly. We have a 2 game still.
In the press conference earlier, you said you needed more consistency. So you're mentioning bowling and batting. So both avenues you want more consistency?
Yeah, definitely. And not only bowling and batting, you have to feel well. In first game, you have to feel well. We don't feel well at the moment.
You batted well, and there was a stage of play where you were 100 for 2. It seemed as if the ball was coming onto the bat. Was the 200 chaseable, 201?
Yeah, I'm definitely sure 200 is chaseable on this ground because the ground is so fast, and the wicket was pretty good to bat on. We don't bat well in the middle as well. We have to come back strongly.
You talked about batting, and Jakir Ali played a good innings. Positive for you in that aspect?
Yeah, definitely. Jakir Ali played last 1 year. He played really well. He is the key player at the moment. But one player can't win the game. We have to contribute everyone.
Just one day in between, you have a match day after. What can you work on in just one day?
I mean, not in practice, mentally wise, we have to think. I feel that cricket, not about practice. You have to think about cricket and apply in the middle.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
See you day after tomorrow. Salman, firstly, you'll be very happy with the team performance. With the bat, it was a truly team performance because nobody played more than 35 deliveries and you still got to 201.
Yeah, after like 5 for 2, it was an amazing inning, and I think everyone chipped in and everyone like came and play with the intent. That's what we want from them.
Before, obviously, the series started, you talked about having a large group of players, but how happy are you when everybody sort of contributes in a winning cause?
This is what we want. We want as a team performance, like we bat well, bowl well, and field well, and everyone has chipped in. We don't want people to score 80, 90. If they do that, that's amazing. But if they don't do that, we want people to come and take the game on, whether we are batting, whether we are bowling, or even fielding.
Talking about the bowling, Hassan Ali, fabulous comeback for him, a fifer in a T20 game. The wickets up top were truly impressive.
I think everyone is saying 2017 Hassan Ali is back, and well, he's well and truly back. And the way he worked, I have seen him working hard in NCA. He was coming every day for 2 times, and then in Ramadan he was coming like after Ramadan, stay there like breakfast, and then stay there like 11, 12. It's truly the hard work today is paid off, and the way he bowled in PSL and the way he bowled today, I'm so happy for him. He's well and truly back.
Absolutely, and the options with the ball, you bowl about, I think, 7 or 8 bowlers you have who can bowl. So is that the way forward for the Pakistan team, having so many all-rounders, so many options?
I think it's just a luxury I have. I do want like 8 batter and 6 bowling options, but the way I have, like I didn't bowl Saim yet, and I think he's a good enough bowler to bowl 4 over. We have seen him bowling in PSL. But it's something it's like luxury to have, and I do want us to have like 8 batting options and 6 proper bowling options. But yeah, if you have 7, 8, I can't ask more than that.
A very good victory today. See you again in a couple of days' time. Will you just recover, take a day off tomorrow, and then come back?
We don't have any other option, don't we? We will try to take rest tomorrow, and then we come the day after tomorrow, like the way we did today. We will probably try to do better.
Thank you very much. Well played today.
Thank you.